Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And guys, we have a Samsung Exynos 9825 chip with a 12 GB of RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra gave you a Samsung Exynos 990 chipset with the 8 GB of RAM on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And Samsung is launched 8 GB of RAM variant in Pakistan market, so that is why I have the 8 GB of RAM variant. So without any wasting time, and let's get right into it and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. We have a Note 20 Ultra versus the Note 10 Plus from last year. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. So now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And you can see on the logo it is a little bit more faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and followed by the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And guys, both phones is running on Android 10. We have a One UI 2.5 update on both these two devices. Very excited to see who is going to be the fastest one. And you can see, and the new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, it is a little bit faster when it comes to booting up. And you can see, while the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, it is also right behind there, about half second difference there, I would say. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a very similar display. We have a dynamic AMOLED 1440p display on both phones, but we have a 60Hz refresh rate on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus compared to a 120Hz refresh rate display on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And also in the front facing camera inside punch hole, it is also a little bit more smaller on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, as you can see guys. And this Aurora glow color, it is my favorite on any phone right now. And guys, everything is closed up in the background and you can see no app is running in the background. Same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and the first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go. And that's slightly faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra thanks to a 120Hz LTPO display. And now let's see the settings on both phones and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And again, I see a little bit more responsive display on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but I have to say very small difference there. And now let's see YouTube, and that is about the same on both phones, not a huge difference. Let's see the scrolling, and guys, this time I can see the 120Hz refresh rate madness right now. And the scrolling, it is feels more smoother on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 as compared to the Note 10 Plus. Now let's opening up the Amazon shopping, and you can see that, and this time Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, it is faster there as you can see, followed by the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And guys, also, and the bezels around the display, it is also little bit more smaller on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. As you can see, look at the display on the Note 20 Ultra. This is the best display on any phone right now, while the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus also give you a very beautiful display, but it is not as bezel-less as the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And now let's see Instagram, and that is little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And now let's check out some games application and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, Exynos 990 versus Exynos 9825. And you can see in the new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, it is a little bit faster there. And now let's see the Subway Surfer, and this time who is going to be the fastest one, launching at the same time. And you can see that about the same on both phones, and you can see this time no difference here between these two devices. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And you can see Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, it is a little bit faster there, about 1 second difference here as you can see. And the Note 10 Plus, it is also right behind there. So now let's opening up the Twitter, and you can see that it's a little bit faster on the Note 10 Plus and this time. And now let's see the Spotify on both phones, and about the same on both phones, feel a little bit more faster on the Note 10 Plus if I am not wrong. And now let's see Zedge, and you can see that is about the same on both phones. And you can see, and guys, in the scrolling wise, I would say you will see the real difference between the Note 10 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and feels more smoother on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And last, I'm launching the cameras on both phones, and you can see that it's a little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and followed by the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And let's see internet browsing speed. I am using default Samsung internet browser on both these two devices. And let's see the wikipedia.org first website and little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Half a second difference there between these two devices. Let's see the scrolling, and feels more smoother on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And next on the list is the apple.com, and that is little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let's see. And you can see in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus it is little bit faster there, followed by the Note 20 Ultra. Let's see the scrolling, and again feels more smoother on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. So now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and guys, we have a 8 GB of RAM on the Note 20 Ultra compared to a 12 GB of RAM on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And now let's start off with the phone dialer, that is not refresh. Let's see which one is performed better in the RAM measurement despite having a more RAM on the Note 10 Plus. Settings, YouTube, Amazon Shopping, Instagram. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, and you can see no refresh on both phones. Subway Surfer, and you can see absolutely incredible RAM measurement on both phones. Let's see Temper Run 2, no issues whatsoever. Now let's check out the Twitter, and that is not refresh on both phones. Again, Spotify, Zedge, about the same on both phones, no difference there. And last, we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say, and the app's opening speed is a little bit more faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in game app loading time, but I have to say in system based application both phones is perform most of the time about the same. And the RAM measurement, it is absolutely incredible on both these two devices. I would say not much a difference between 8 GB of RAM compared to a 12 GB of RAM on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.